So just really looking back at some of sort of the use cases for Windows 365, just trying to really identify where it fits more than anything else. So data security is obviously really a key concern for all organizations. With everybody having to move to or work from home and now looking at hybrid working, that becomes a much bigger concern. Again, everyone's been working on a number of devices that may or may not have been typically used for work purposes and that you have no corporate control over. So one of the key real benefits of Windows 365 is it abstracts that data away from those endpoints, so you're always got that your data in your environment and under your control. High capacity computing, if you've got high performance requirement workstations that are office based and you need those people to work productively from home, you don't want to be investing in double the physical hardware. It doesn't make any common sense from a cost point of view. Having a high-end powerful machine running in Windows 365 means that they can do their work wherever they are on whatever device they have at home, so they can still work in a productive manner. The disaster recovery side of things, again, Windows 365 is designed to be quick and easy to deploy. You don't need to have VDI expertise to spin this up. It is that you need some configuration profiles, you need some endpoint manager policies. It's all group based. You can use group based licensing. You drop people into the right group for the right license, and it will start provisioning them a machine. And then very quickly, they'll be able to start logging into that and getting on with doing what they need to do. Again, temporary workforces, seasonal workers, expansions, etc. Being able to spin things up very quickly and then downsize when you no longer need those machines is going to be very key use case. And again, around the mergers and acquisitions. So I've done a fair amount of projects over the last couple of years where customers have been acquiring organizations and they've got 2 or even 3 Office 365 environments to merge together. A lot of organizations typically will give them their acquired company staff new devices to access their main 365 tenants, try and get them onboarded. But then there's also the complexities of integrating 2 365 tenants for sharing, calendaring, on-premise resources, VPNs and all that side of things. However, would it not be just easier to have a cloud PC that you can access that gives you control and the ability to access everything in the new main company's tenant without having to worry about all that complexity, and then do your gradual migrations and bring things over into a single environment at a more controlled way.